everyone, Librarian Jennifer back for another episode of STEAM at Home. Today we're going to make a Whirligig toy. So you will need some paper, cardboard, a wooden dowel, and I'm going to be using a hot glue gun today. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can try this with regular glue or some tape. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need to do is cut a couple of circles out of cardboard. You can do this, I did cardboard, you can try it out of some really stiff paper. You may have to do a couple of layers. And you're going to want to have a hole right in the center of one that your stick will fit through snugly. I'm using an X-Acto knife today. This can be a little bit dangerous, so make sure you have a grown-up helping you. If not, just use scissors. To do strips of paper, my paper is about a 1/2 inch thick. You could do this with ribbon as well. I'm going to start with the circle I didn't cut a hole in, and I am going to glue my strips of paper all around my circle. I'm going to try to glue my stick right in the center of our cardboard circle that does not have a hole. Alright, so you can see I put a pretty good sized dab of glue there to make sure it's secure. You could even put another piece of cardboard on top if you really want to make sure it's nice and steady. Now I'm going to connect the other end of my strips of paper to the cardboard circle that has a hole in it. And there we have it. So I've got all of my strips of paper glued to the top circle and bottom circle of cardboard. Make sure you don't get them tangled. The more colors you use, the cooler this looks. And now make sure that your bottom circle of cardboard can move up and down pretty freely. You put it between your hands. And the more colors of paper or ribbon you use, the cooler this looks, especially if you do it in slow motion. You make all sorts of cool looking shapes. And there you go, you've got yourself a nice little Whirligig toy. If you were watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're creating at home, if you have any questions or comments. And until next time, this is Librarian Jennifer signing off. See you guys later. Bye.